100 species, but I sing no victim song. I am a woman, I am an artist, and I know where my voice belongs.
Looking at. So it might be true that the big fat moon is actually on balloon. And we might just prove so we painted blue and it's floating down, down, down. As the theory goes, it was all a hoax. Those dirty, dirty lying astronauts never left the ground, just hanging around. In a studio in Hollywood. Hold up your head. Hold up your head. Hold up your head. You made a mistake. Shouldn't have left it to does the future would be taken in hand? Nice little blueprint, but the floor's in the plan. Hold up your head. Say there's your name. The eagle's meant for man.
You are worthy of love and affection. You are never too much, and you are always enough.